Good morning and Jai Hind. Let us learn about the fourth category of accounting ratios, that is the profitability ratio or income ratio. Now, as the name suggests, profitability ratio helps to measure the success of a business. So, in these ratios, we have to study the 5 ratios, as you can see: gross profit ratio, operating ratio, operating profit ratio, net profit ratio, and return on investment. So let us start the first one, gross profit ratio. This ratio establishes a relationship between gross profit and revenue from operation, or we may say net sales, and it can be calculated by dividing gross profit from net sales, and we have to multiply it by 100 as it is represented in percentage form. Gross profit can be calculated by subtracting cost of revenue from operation from revenue from operation, and cost of revenue from operation can be calculated by adding opening inventory, net purchase, that means purchase minus purchase return. In this you have to add direct expenses, that means all the carriage, wages, if there's any, and from this we have to subtract closing inventory, or we may subtract gross profit from revenue from operation. In this way also we can calculate the cost of revenue from operation. So if the gross profit ratio is good, or we may say if it is high, then it is good for the firm, and if it is low, it is definitely not a good position for the firm. And these ratios are helpful in comparing the performance of the firm or business from year to year. That means we can easily compare the present or current year ratios with the previous year ratios, and if, for instance, if we experience a decline or decrease in a gross profit ratio in comparison to the previous year, so various conclusions may be made, like price of material purchased may have gone up, but the selling price has not been increased in proportion to the increase in cost, while or the various conclusions which we can make is it may happen that selling price may have fallen, but the other direct charges may not have fallen relatively. And one more reason or one more conclusion which we can make is there may be misappropriation, theft, pilferage of inventory, or there may be fall in the sale of more profitable variety of goods, or there may be a fall in the price of unsold goods, which may reduce the value of closing inventory. So in all these conclusions which we have drawn by the decrease in the gross profit ratio, we can say that either the gross profit is decreasing or revenue from operation is increasing. In both the cases, it may affect the gross profit ratio, or it will definitely decrease its value. The next profitability ratio is operating ratio. This ratio measures the proportion of an enterprise cost of revenue from operation and operating expenses in comparison to its revenue from operations, and it can be calculated by adding cost of revenue from operation and operating expenses, and from this we have to subtract the operating income and divide the whole thing by revenue from operation and multiply by 100. Operating ratio is represented in percentage form. Cost of revenue from operation, as we know, we can easily calculate by adding the opening inventory, net purchases and direct expenses, and out of this we have to subtract closing inventory, or we may directly subtract the gross profit from revenue from operation. For calculation of operating expenses, we have to add employee benefit expenses, depreciation and amortization expenses, other expenses like office and administration expense, selling and distribution expense, discount, bad debts, interest on short-term loans. For operating income like trading commission receipt, cash discount receipt. Here, in operating expenses, depreciation and amortization expenses are included, while in case of inventory, spare parts and loose tools are excluded. Here, all the non-operating expenses and all the non-operating income are ignored. And if the operating ratio is low, it is better for the firm because it will leave higher margin of profit on revenue from operations. With this, I am going to end my video. Thank you.